Hey, what's up guys, Matt here. Today I'll be going through the Gemini Jets May 2018 new releases. Before I get started, I was going to have a new video up this week. Unfortunately, due to some rendering complications, that had to be delayed. It's a 4K video, 50 FPS, a lot of color grading in it, which is the reason it's taking so long to render, which is 5 days actually to render. But yeah, just a bit of complications, so I had to restart that, and that's just for one video, and hopefully when that's ready I'll get that one up, get my next video, which should take about another 5 days to render. And it's just the reason they're taking so long is because of the amount of editing and color grading I've put into them. Usually they might take a few hours. I'm in the middle of upgrading my PC. I only have I have a laptop which I'm doing most of my renders on, and then I can use my main PC, which is only in mid-range. I'm upgrading to a high-end at some point, but that's the reason why they're taking so long. And also, I've had a few requests, wanting me to get back to my news videos, and I had put them off due to me not having enough time, and I had to get back to my regular videos because that's what most people are interested in anyway. But if I find the time and you guys are still interested, if there's enough people still interested in them, I will definitely get back to them. I want to get back to them. I like them, but the main purpose of this channel is for model reviews, then spotting, and then all the news stuff. So that's how I prioritize it. But if you do want to see it, please let me know. I do want to get back to it if I can. Anyway, after all that, let's get to the 1/400 scale models first. Both releases, I must say, this is after last month and the month before, and all the 2018 releases by Gemini Jets, it's been very, very poor. But we have, they're trying to make up for it. Haven't quite got there, because it looks like another regular month for 1 to 200 scale, but it's looking better. Anyway, first up is the Air Canada 737 MAX 8 in their new livery. CFTJV, the registration number. Air China A350-900 B1086, pretty cool looking model. And Air China A320 Neo B8891. American Airlines A321 N187 US. Delta Connection CRJ 700, pretty cool looking model, that one, in 708 or 708 EV. Emirates A380 A6 EUG, this is the Real Madrid livery. If you didn't know what happened over the last couple of days, Real Madrid in the second leg drew 2-2 Bayern, but they went through to the final of the Champions League. Liverpool beat Roma again in the second leg, going through to the Champions League final. So they will play each other, Liverpool versus Real Madrid, in the final. And this could be the first ever three-peat Champions League winning the Champions League in the modern form of the Champions League. Real Madrid are my second team, only because of Cristiano Ronaldo, but they will never get ahead of my beloved Manchester United. Anyway, for those who actually care, so on this on delivery I can see Marcelo, Ramos, Ronaldo, that looks like Modric, Benzema, and Bale. And Bale is probably going to be leaving Real Madrid in the northern summer. Fly Dubai 737 MAX 8 A6 MAX, fitting registration, and very cool livery. Garuda Indonesia Aerospatiale ATR 72 PKGAH, also the Explore, which is probably the slogan for Indonesia. Lufthansa 747-8 DABYM, this is the 5-star Hansa. This was, I believe, this came out a while ago, and it's just to do with their Skytrax rating, because they are a 5-star rated Skytrax airline. and they've also done this this sort of livery with other aircraft. I can't remember what it was again, and they just use the Hansa part. Philippines A350-900. That is RPC 3501. Very good looking model, this one. Virgin A330-200 GVMIK, and this is leased formerly. This would be an Air Berlin aircraft, because of the recent ongoing troubles with the Rolls-Royce Trent 1000 engines on their 787-9s. So they've had to lease up 4 A330-200s, and that's why this this model has been released. And now onto the 1 to 200 scales, and finally we're getting somewhere with Gemini Jets releasing something decent this time. As usual, Emirates models, because they're contract with Emirates. 777-300ER, A6ENJ, don't need it, already have it. As with this one, Emirates A380, A6EOZ. But it seems to actually on this picture, I'm not sure if they had this on the model, they probably already did, but just they're putting a few more details, you know, like on the engines here. You can see those markings on the engines. And finally we have the other Icelandair special livery, on the 757-200. Now this is the 80th anniversary, so this is 80th anniversary of aviation in Iceland. They released this in 1-400 a few months ago, and I'm very happy to see that they've released this one in 1 to 200 scale now. This will go perfectly with my Heckler Aurora 757. But as you can see with the winglet, it's not split scimitar, but it is just a scimitar winglet. It's the new winglet, so if they want to add the other winglet to make it split scimitar winglet, they can, but it's got the new upgraded winglet, and you can see it's the scimitar sort of shape. And yeah, that's pretty cool. It's probably one of the only ones models will get that's not split scimitar, but it's just scimitar, I guess. TFFIR is the registration number, so that's a definite must get for me. Lot Polish 737 MAX 8 SPLVA, pretty cool model, this one. They're starting to receive their 737 Maxes now. Pan Am L1011 TriStar. This is Clipper something black or bird. I can't really read it. It's Clipper something, of course. In 511 PA. Qantas Link Dash 8Q400. This is their new livery, by the way. So this is pretty cool for some people. I wish they get into some Q300s for airlines like Air New Zealand, for instance. But I don't even know if they've released those. VHQOA is the registration number. Royal Air Force C-130J ZH886 is the registration number. Pretty, standard looking military colours, nothing special. There's a small roundel, but really no big markings, apart from this, which states that it's a Royal Air Force. So yeah, just a standard sort of A330 C-130. Yeah. United Express Embraer 175 N163SY. Pretty sure we've had this release before, but yeah, it's an alright model. Finally, we have this one. I'll definitely be getting this one, although I haven't really seen this one. I think it's quite cool that UPS have built on their 747s that they have on the 400s, getting the Dash 8s as well. N605 UP is a registration number, so yeah, awesome model, that one. Last one is the Vha A320 with Sharklets VN-A671. Quite a lively livery, this one, but I don't need this. I think it would have been better if they maybe had stuck the titles in one of the colours of this livery over near the front, but yeah, still better than a lot of liveries that are out there. Anyway, this will do it for this release. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Please comment, tell me what you think of this release, tell me which models you're going to get. Like this video if you did enjoy. And we finally have a good release, which is, you know, finally. Nothing more to say about it really, but I'll be getting the Icelandair 757 and also getting the UPS 747. I'm not sure if I would get anything else really. Not a huge fan of Pan Am apart from some of their 747s, maybe 707. But if Lot was a different airline, maybe. But yeah, that's all I'll be getting from this release. Subscribe as well and share this video so other people can know about this release and see if they want to get any of these models if they find them interesting enough. I surely do. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.